Mom, look, it's not a virus, it's a screensaver. Yeah, just move the mouse. Okay. I gotta go, I'm at a doctor's appointment. Yeah, right now, I'm standing inside the office. I don't know what I'm cooking for dinner or something. I'll figure it out. Okay, look, I gotta go. Yeah, bye, love you. Yes. Wait, I'm hanging up the phone now. Sorry about that.
What? No worries. I have parents too.
Yeah, do yours give you migraines?
Well, my parents are something I talk to my therapist about.
Really?
Yeah. We could role play. I could be your mom.
God, no, that is disgusting.
Why is that disgusting?
Just, my mom is a crazy person. She worries incessantly about everything. Honestly, it annoys the shit out of me. So talking to her will not do any good.
So your mom has a husband that can't talk to her and a son who won't?
Yeah, I guess.
Don't you think you're being kind of a dick?
I'm sorry, is that a medical term?
I mean, your parents are who they are. You can't change that. Only thing you do is change how you deal with them.
Aren't you supposed to like subtly manipulate me into realizing my own fault, not call me out?
Well, you did clean my car, so I think we're beyond that. Sorry. Oh, no, it was weird.
No, it was good. It was,
Forced.
I was a little far, and so, here, try
Okay,
again.
I'll be more natural.
Better.